Hey everyone, here I have my Boya microphone, but the problem is that my Boya microphone is showing up as an headphone device here instead of recording any kind of sound. Now I have find out the solution. What you need to do is that you need to come to this Windows button and you need to search for Realtek Audio Console. Just open it and you need to come to the device advanced setting. Now you need to plug this Boya microphone into the jack, and here in this setting you need to just select mic in my previous setting it was set as headphone, so it was not working. Just click on the mic and then I am just closing the window. And now in Audacity, if I open a new file and I start recording with this Boya, now you can see it is now it has now started recording the sound. Maybe you are facing just this problem, and by this method you can solve it. Thanks.